Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We are joined by Bloomberg's Kriti Gupta. Not a whole lot of green on the screen with a risk off throughout the market on this Monday morning, Kriti.
Good morning, Nathan. Exactly. You are seeing some green on the screen, but in places that are traditionally kind of the defensive plays for a lot of folks. I'll give you a great example here. Take a look at the one kind of asset that's moving to the upside this morning, and that is going to be gold prices. You're seeing the exact same reflection when it comes to the U.S. stock market in the pre-equity move. So Newmont, for example, NEM is your ticker. This major gold miner is higher by about 1.3%. But Nathan, then you really have to put on your magnifying glass to find the rest of the green on the screen, because it is fairly broad-based of a sell-off. So I'll start with that gold price on Newmont, higher by 1.3%, trading just shy of $49 a share, and by a massive margin relative to all of its peers. And then you go to the downside, and every other kind of traditionally defensive play, which is traditionally your Mag 7, your biggest tech companies, are all taking a beating this morning, including the likes of some of the commodity names we've seen in the past couple of days as well. So let me walk you through it. Palantir this morning is taking the biggest hit. PLTR down about 6% this morning in the pre-market, trading just shy of $81 a share. If you are exposed to the AI trade, which Palantir, Tesla, a little bit of CrowdStrike, Nvidia kind of is, they're known as these basket of stocks that really trade at these massive multiples, but trade on these AI headlines, you are in negative territory and you're in it quite deep. So Tesla, for example, TSLA down almost 5% in the pre-market, $251 a share, and snowballing as I speak, Nathan. A similar story for the likes of Nvidia, NVDA, down about 3.5% as well. As you go down the list, you are still seeing quite a bit of pain in the likes of Amazon, AMZN, down about 1.7%, trading at $189 a share. Again, no major news flow for the tech space broadly, just a broad sell-off that you're seeing around the world. Even the likes of Freeport-McMoRan, which is a company we've been keeping an eye on in terms of copper tariffs and the China story, and what that looks like is down and down hard, down about 2.5%. FCX trading about $37.46 a share. And Nathan, the drama in French politics right now, we should mention there are French ETFs that are not trading just yet in terms of the pre-market kind of trade, but they are one that have traded in the past, especially back in December when Michel Barnier was dealing with his no confidence vote. So keep an eye on EWQ. That's the MSCI iShares France basket, down about 0.4%, but not trading with a ton of volatility. I'm sure that'll change at the opening bell.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.